Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today we will talk about Udio AI website. So how to create a free AI song on this website. This is how the website looks like. So at the very top you can see their URL. You can just type it in the search box and go to this website. So at the top right you can find the sign up button. To create your account, just click on it and you'll be taken to this page. So to create an account here, you can continue with Google, Discord, X, or Apple, or just type your email address right here. Let's type my email address right here. And now go to your email, and here you'll find a message from Udio AI. Click on it, and after that, in this message, there is a button. Click on it. Just type here your username, check this checkbox, and click on the Create Profile button. And finally, we can start creating our song. This is how the website's interface looks like. On the left side, you can find a lot of tabs: Home, Create, Library, Following, Upgrades, and more. On the home page, you can listen to other people's song and see their videos also. On the Create button, you can, of course, create your song. In the library, you can find the list of all your created songs. The Following tab, here your feed. On the Upgrades tab, you can find notifications from Udio AI, their announcements, and so on. And the More tab, here you can read more about this company, frequently asked questions, pricing, earn credits, and other stuff. And now let's try to create our song. All you need to do to create your song on this website is click on the Create button at the top right, or go to the Create tab, just click on it. Now you need to describe your song, for example, a song about socks disappearing in the wash, 18's punk rock. Okay, for example, just below this field you can find the Upload Audio button. You can upload an audio by reference. Now you can write your lyrics. For example, select Custom, and here you can create a title for these lyrics, describe it. Here is the tip about how your prompt must be looks like. But let's select auto-generated because this is the easiest way. And also you can add advanced controls. For example, change clip start, change prompt strength, lyric strength, and so on. Or just leave it as default. After that, just click on the Create button and wait a bit. And finally, that's all. On the right side, you can see that I've just generated 2 songs, Lost in the Spin Cycle and Vanishing Act. Now you can go to the library page and now just click on the play button. This is the first song and the second one. Okay, very cool. So this is how you can create your own AI songs on this website, and it's really cool. By the way, you can easily get free credits every month on this website and daily credits. You can read more about it right here. Just hover your mouse over your credits and read about it right here. And of course, if you would like to upgrade your plan, just click on the upgrade button at the bottom left. There are free plans: free for $0, standard for $10 per month, and pro for $30 per month. Just below you can see benefits for each plan. And also you can try a free trial for standard plan. It was a short tutorial about this website, and I hope my video was helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.